Hey guys, Ryan here from Professional Hair Labs, and I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the sixth step in our 7-step process, the science of full head bonding, and this product is called Dermal Mud. This product is pretty self-explanatory. The purpose of this product is to apply to the scalp and leave sit for 5 minutes, and you wash it off with lukewarm water, and it will just pull out any of the toxins or impurities in the skin before applying your bonding adhesive. This product is very simple to use. It's just a simple application, and you let it sit and then you wash it off. And once you do that, you'll notice a massive difference in the bonding, so in the surface of the scalp to prepare for bonding. So there's not really too much to say about this product other than it is specifically formulated for the scalp because of the thin skin, and it will definitely aid in promoting a much healthier scalp and a stronger bonding surface. If you have any questions at all, please get in touch with us. We're more than happy to assist. As you can see, this product here comes in a travel size and also an 8-ounce size for home use or salon use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We just wanted to take a moment to enlighten you with some information on the product. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch.